everyone, and welcome back to day 4 of At the Cross, also called Love Ran Red by Chris Tomlin. My name is Mandy, and I'm so glad that you are here. Sign Language Worship is a YouTube channel dedicated to teaching you how to use sign language in order to worship God. Today we are learning the bridge. I'm excited you're here, but before we do that, remember housekeeping. I am left-handed, which means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. Look below this video in the description for lots of helpful links like printing off the lyrics. And last but not least, please subscribe to the channel or check out the website signlanguageworship.com. Okay, so here my hope is found, here on holy ground. We're gonna do this sign a lot here, okay? So you just kind of have your hands, your palms open, here, here. Okay, kind of moving them in a circular pattern here. So here, my hope. So for hope, you're bending your fingers, but they kind of stay flat, okay? Hope, hope. So here, my hope, and we've already learned the sign for found. You're pulling something up and ending up making an F, okay? Found. Here, on holy ground. So holy, you have an H here, and you go around twice. Holy. So non-dominant hand, palm out, dominant hand, holy. Okay, and then ground. Here you have your palms up, ground, you have your palms down. You're just kind of signifying earth, okay? Here I bow down, here I bow down. So here, I, and then bow down, we're just exactly how you might imagine, okay? Bow down. Here I bow down. Here, arms open wide. Here, and then arms, kind of just signify or show your arms. Now you can either do it 2 different ways here. You can do arms and then show your arms being open wide, or you can do here, arms open wide. It's totally up to you. Okay, however you'd like to do it, you can do it either way. And then here you save my life. Here, you pointing to God in heaven, and then save, you're making S's, starting crossed and going out. Okay, saved my, and then life, bringing L's towards the stomach and up to the ribs. Okay, and then it ends with here I bow down, here I bow. Okay, so it's a pretty simple bridge. Let's try it from the top. Here, my hope is found, here on holy ground, here I bow down, here I bow down, here, arms open wide, here, you saved my life. Here I bow down. Here I bow. Okay, let's try it one more time. Here, my hope is found. Here, on holy ground. Here I bow down. Here I bow down. Here, arms open wide or open wide. Here, you saved my life. Here I bow down. Here I bow. Hey, good work everyone. I'm so glad you're still working on this song with me. Tomorrow we're gonna put together everything that we've practiced so far, and we're gonna walk through the whole song. So I'm really looking forward to that. Oh, I will tell you, at the very, very end of the song, Chris Tomlin sings a little unscripted, like it's not on the lyrics, but it's Savior. So you're gonna do save, and it's a person form, Savior, and then world, taking W's, going around, okay? And that's what you need for that part, okay? So now you've learned all the signs you need for the song, and I can't wait to walk through it with you tomorrow. Hope you're having a great day. Bye. If you liked today's video, please click like. It gives me the encouragement I need to make more. Also, don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll miss no future songs. And lastly, share Sign Language Worship on Facebook. Find a friend to learn sign with. That way, you're both more likely to stick with it. See you later.